In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in MetaTrader 5. This is a simple customization, but it can make a huge difference in how comfortable and clear your charts look, especially if you spend a lot of time analyzing price action. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you can see the Market Watch panel. This is usually on the left side of your screen and shows a list of trading instruments, like currency pairs, indices, or commodities. If you don't see it, you can enable it from the View menu at the top of the platform. Now, look at the Market Watch list and choose the instrument you want to work with. This is the symbol whose chart you'll customize. Move your mouse over that instrument, then right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to that instrument. From this menu, click on Chart Window. When you do this, MetaTrader 5 will open a new chart for that specific instrument, or bring its existing chart to the front if it's already open. Give it a moment to load and make sure the chart you want to customize is active and visible on your screen. With the chart open, move your mouse anywhere over the chart area and right-click again. This will bring up another context menu, this time with options related to the chart itself. Here, you'll see an option called Properties. Go ahead and click on Properties. A new window will appear with several settings for your chart. This is where you can adjust colors, line styles, and other visual elements. Look for the section related to colors. You should see an option labeled Background. This is the setting that controls the color behind your candles, bars, or line chart. Click on the background color box and a color selector will appear. You can choose a light background, a dark background, or any color that feels comfortable for your eyes. Many traders prefer darker backgrounds for long sessions, while others like a clean white or light gray look. Once you've chosen your preferred background color, take a quick look at the preview to make sure it looks good with your candles and grid. If everything looks right, click OK or apply to save the change. Your chart will update instantly with the new background color. That's it. You've successfully changed the background color in MetaTrader 5, making your chart easier to read